Alright, so I chopped the windshield. It wasn't like any normal 1930 and up windshield frame where the top comes in and has threads for the this guy, which I forgot to tighten. The stud was like welded to it, so I just took a chunk out of the center. Whatever, it's all good. And I didn't cut my glass because who cares? And it's a little more wind protection for my head, and without the top bar you really can't tell anyway. It's just a faint line. That didn't work. Windshield folded right down. Whacking my knuckles on the glass. What the heck? Like, how'd that even happen? Alright, whatever. I gotta fix that now. Getting ready to throw that in.
Huh?
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 Getting ready to throw this in. He's prepping the metal, and we're gonna spot weld it in. He'll probably get that done. Weld up a couple holes in the back, and then start on the roof.
I'm gonna go like right in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, it's good.
Yeah, we're on there. Yep.
But it kept snapping cams, so I guess it was a shit car. Shit motor.
What motor was in that?
Actually, wait, what are we 25?
Yeah, those things do snap cams like fucking. It's all painted a 350 right next to it. That's what it looks like, honestly.
Yeah,
that's Chevy orange right there.
Orange, for sure.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I don't know why that's there.
So we're trying to get this thing to run, maybe, so I can sell it and make my money back on this
That build tag's kind of cool.
boat anchor. Yeah, it's Boston, right?
Yeah, Boston build tag.
That block over there has it.
Oh, I'm standing in front of.
Beantown. Yeah, could have locked this down to try to find a distributor. I got one. I don't think it's a 3-bolt, so I might have to find a 2-bolt distributor cover. And then we should be rocking and rolling. Get some plugs in there. Let's get the flywheel.
And their fine thread everything.
Oh yeah, I love fine thread. Says nobody except for me.
And Henry.
Yeah, that way.
It is good this way, right? Can it fit in there, or do I have to take this whole thing off?
That would kind of be a pain in the dick.
Are you shitting me?
Yeah, it's not gonna fit in there.
No. Gotta take the bottom off. Knock the bottom off.
Just cut it with a angle grinder.
No, I don't want to do that.
That kind of rots. Oh yeah, let's break the spark plugs.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like not even close, right?
No. You got the front?
Yeah, I got the front. Oh, it's dry.
Cool. So they just painted the manifold.
Maybe.
That would have been funny.
What happened in the back of this guy?
Fell off of me. Whacked him through.
Kind of takes away from. Oh, is it?
Oh yeah.
There she goes. Now she's on there forever.
Oh yeah.
Torque the spec, right?
Always. What the? Oh wow. What the?
What's up?
I don't know what's up.
It sticks out farther than this timing cover accommodates for.
Then how's it on that one?
I don't know.
Oh,
Does that one go in deeper?
The cam's
Oh, yeah.
this big.
This one's different.
Yeah, they're good.
Down there.
Alright, get the carb on. We're trying to use the stock coil that was on this distributor because we can't find another one. I thought I had one. Alright, like I was saying, we're using the coil from this crappy old distributor, but it looked good inside, so who knows, it might work. I really don't know how to test them. Dave might. So we're going to hook it up to the battery. He's putting the connection on. He's putting it ground to a head stud. And we're just going to tap the starter that I'm probably going to pull out of my Roadster pickup there to test. Alright, so I was going to have Jacob go down to his house in the Roadster pickup and grab a starter that we're missing. But the battery had to die. So. Oh yeah? So we're here waiting. I might weld a thingy over here. Prevent the windshield frame from falling backwards like it does. Well, it's also like, well, no, never mind, I lied. It's like mock-up, but I just mock up until it works and I just leave it. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was an oversight.
Also, there's no fins in the tie rod for a little while.
Yeah, no cotter pins in anything, or...
Nice.
Is my half-inch wrench anywhere? I want the orange tape. Got it. You're gonna need that on that side.
Both sides?
Yeah, there's one nut on there.
Wait,
You're gonna have to.
Oh, because there wasn't enough material there.
Yeah, the dog bone was missing. There's only half.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna. Where that line is, that Sharpie line, I'm gonna weld, put like a bead, a pronounced bead, and kind of, you know, shape it to kind of look how it's supposed to look. I don't easily have something because I got a little whaling right now, but yeah, I'm gonna weld that so my windshield doesn't flop into my knuckles while I'm trying to steer it.
Alright, start it up.
Let's.
I don't even have gas in the carburetor, so.
Well,
Let's see if we get spark.
Or if it spins.
yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing right now is to see if we get spark.
Is it on?
Want to turn the ignition on?
Yeah.
No, that's the wrong way. Okay.
Not enough?
Guess not.
We'll hook up the charger, 6-volt boost.
Yep.
It's not enough to spin this
Oh,
out.
you know what? It'd probably help if we tighten these. We never did that.
Okay, we'll do that first.
Yep.
Was that thing like just barely spinning?
Yeah, there was not much juice at all. I wanted to.
Take a big step back.
Thanks, guys.
Ready?
Yep.
That's not turning over, right?
No.
Hold on. Give me a screwdriver or something. Okay. It's engaged. Now set it. There you go.
Money. That sounds okay.
Oh wait, hold on.
Is spinning the flywheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta spin.
Why is it so rough?
I don't know. I watched this.
Is that spark related?
Well, the cylinder came up.
Who says this is easy?
Over here.
We'll see.
What, motor work?
Or just like getting a stupid motor to run?
I just did it a couple weeks ago.
Was
My
that-
Flathead.
Who's that first group drive? Get him over here. Not really. Tell them what's going
That's
on.
not what they want to hear at all.
Yeah. All right. So this battery sucks because it's been sitting outside for a year or so. It took a charge, but when you know, put it to the starter, it drops right down to 1 volt. So that's no good. So this is not gonna run today, but it's not really important that it runs. I just wanted to see if it could run so I could sell it. So, you know, we'll get back to this later. And this is all welded in, finished out-ish.
Is the other side finished-ish?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, again, no progress on the roof like I said I was going to. He messed it up.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's all good. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow.